Every celebration has always included drinking, or inuman as the Filipinos would say. The Filipinos would always find an occasion to congregate around a tiny table, buy cases and cases of beer, and simply chat the night away, whether it was a birthday party, fiesta, or just a casual get-together. Even though drinking is ingrained in every nation's culture, each one has unique characteristics. The following are some characteristics of Filipino drinking that are unique. Drinks. Yes, they drink everything, including beer, brandy, gin, and all other alcoholic beverages that you are aware of. However, Filipinos have their own unique wines that they enjoy on special occasions, particularly those who reside in rural areas. Famously created in the Quezon province, lambanog is made from coconuts. While some may refer to this as the poor man's drink due to its low cost of production, some businesses advertise it in additional flavors like cherry, apple, and mint to appeal to a wider audience. Similar to the lambanog, tuba is likewise produced using coconut sap. It has a bittersweet and stinging flavor. Some might assume that only the strongest man could consume it, which is why it is referred to as a hard drink. Ilocos Norte produces a wine variety called Basi. It's produced by fermenting sugarcane juice, then putting the finished product in an earthen jar. This wine ferments for 3 months and ages for a year, yielding a light brown beverage with a sweet and tart flavor. Pulutan. A satisfying pulutan, typically a tasty finger meal eaten while savoring a nice bottle of beer or liquor, is a must-have for any drinking session. The preferred pulutan among Filipinos is reportedly sisig. This Pampanga delicacy is prepared with pig's head and liver and has been boiled in vinegar and spiced with calamansi and chili peppers. Another popular dish among Filipinos is crispy pata, or crispy pig's leg, which is known for its crispy exterior and tender flesh. People are recommended to eat this dish in moderation, even though it is indisputably delicious and addictive and also quite high in cholesterol. Whether boiled, fried, or prepared with garlic and salt, peanuts are one of the most typical foods to be seen on every table during a drinking session. Tagayan. Today's Tagayan costumes serve to demonstrate the friendship and camaraderie between people who are having a wonderful time. Each tanggero receives a glass that has been shared by the group and is passed around for consumption. The custom was established in the Quezon province, where residents welcome guests with a shot of their renowned lambanog. Karaoke or videoke. The loud music from your neighbors who are blasting and singing along the Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody or the Cranberries' Zombie is a sure sign that there is a drinking session nearby, because Filipinos love to sing. There were always people grabbing the microphone and keying some numbers on the big videoke machine, from belters to inebriated vocalists, so there were never any dead airs or silent moments. Barkada. The highlight of any drinking session isn't the food, the wine, or the big karaoke machine in the end. It's the group of individuals that sit around a table and simply talk to one another, laugh at the same jokes, and spend their valuable time together.